In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed a YouTube channel in Squarespace. Unfortunately, since Squarespace doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elfsight platform. Once you click to the link, this is the page they're going to see. From here, I want you to head over to the top of the page, which is where you will find this widgets button. Simply hover over it, and then I want you to go all the way down to video down here, where it says YouTube Gallery. Click on that, and then you'll be taken to the YouTube channel widgets page. From here, click on this create widget for free button, and then you'll be taken down to the template section. So on the left hand side here, you will see a bunch of different templates they can choose from, and then on the right hand side, you get a fully interactive preview of what that particular template will look like on your Squarespace website. Now in that case, since we want to embed a YouTube channel to our website, you want to go for this widget right here, but you can also go for any of the other ones as well if you wanted to. But this one here works the best for us. I also want to mention that none of these templates are final in terms of design. We can actually customize pretty much any element that you see on the screen here. So for example, we can get rid of this large image right here on the top, or maybe we can hide the logo here, or maybe we can have two rows of videos instead of just one, and so forth. I'm going to show you how to do that in the next section. So yeah, choose this template or any of the other ones, and then click on continue with this template in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. Then you'll be taken to this page, which is where we can start customizing your YouTube channel widget to your liking. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and add your YouTube channel URL right here in this field. That way the widget is going to know which channel to display right here. And then obviously on your Squarespace website later on once we get to integrating it. You can also go ahead and add some source groups right here if you wanted to. In my case, I'm not going to do that because it's not relevant. Then once you've connected your channel here, you should be able to see it right here on the right hand side. Once you've done that, on the left hand side, you also see layout, appearance, and advanced. These are some more customizations that you can take advantage of to further customize your YouTube channel widget. So for example, if you go to layout right here and we click on header, this is the header section of this particular widget, you can see that we can basically hide and show pretty much any element that you can think of. So for example, if you want to hide the subscription button right here that you see, we can go maybe subscribe button. There we go at the bottom. Simply click on this, and then the subscription button will be removed. At the top here, you have header layout. We have the classic one at the moment, but you can go for an accent, or you can also go for a minimal one as well, which obviously is a bit more minimalistic. I actually quite like the look of this one, so I'm going to go for that one. And if you want to hide the header in general, then simply just disable it, and the header will be removed, and then you're just going to have the videos right here. But in my case, I want to keep it. Then in terms of appearance, the same thing goes. You go to the header here, you can change all the different colors here for the different elements that you see, and so forth. The same goes for advanced. I'm not going to go for every single customization that you can take advantage of here. I'll leave this up to you to explore. But once you're ready with customizing your YouTube channel widget, go ahead and click on add to website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen. And then your widget will be saved up and you'll be taken to another page, which is where we need to publish the widget. So from this page here, in the top right corner of the screen, you will see a green publish button. In my case, as you can see, it's grayed out because my widget is already published, but in your case, it won't be. So click on it and then you will automatically be taken to the plans page. Now this is what the plans page looks like, and what we need to do here is choose a plan. Now since this is the first widget that we're creating from Elfsight, we can actually go for this plan right here, which is completely free. As you can see, it supports up to one widget for up to 200 views. So if you're just getting started, this might be the perfect plan for you. Alternatively, if you want to unlock some more functionalities, such as have your widget be 100% ad free, or use more than one widget from Elfsight on your Squarespace website, or if you expect to get more than 200 views per month on the widget, then you can obviously go for one of their premium plans right here. As you can see, they have quite a few different options they can choose from, and if you decide to subscribe annually, you also get to save quite a bit of money as well, which is pretty nice. But yeah, go ahead, choose the plan that works best for you, and then you'll automatically be taken to the page where you can copy the code for your YouTube channel widget. It will look just like this. From here, click on copy code, and then let's head over to Squarespace so we can start integrating it. Now, I'm already in my Squarespace website here. I'm going to click on edit to go into the actual editor. And what you want to do from here is go to the page where I want to add a YouTube channel to. In my case, I want it on the home page right beneath this picture here. So I'm going to click on that section and I'm going to add a blank section. Once you've done that, go to the section and then click on that block in the top left corner of the screen within that particular section and type in code right here. Then click on option number 3. What that's going to do is add this code block to your Squarespace website. I'm going to resize mine accordingly because my YouTube widget is quite big. I'm going to double click on this, and then from this window, I want to make sure that the mode here is set to HTML and that this line of text is deleted and replaced with the code which is copied from Elfsight. Click away, save and exit out of the editor. And as you can see, here is my YouTube channel added to my Squarespace website. As you can see, it's fully interactive. It looks super nice and clean. Don't worry about this panel that you see right here on the top. This is only visible by you just in case you want to make any changes to the widget while it's still live on your Squarespace website. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to embed the YouTube channel in Squarespace. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.